Bonafide Hustler here, and today we're going to do a hot shot. Today we're going to have some fun, and I want you guys to come with me. It's a little bit cold. Let's go! What's going on, guys? Bonafide Hustler here, and we're right outside of a coffee shop, and it's time to get in to do some work, and then we'll have a little bit of tacos, and then we're gonna get in line and see if we can find anything at this one thrift store. So that's pretty much the laid out plans of the next 2 or 3 hours. I'm gonna get in this coffee shop, I'm gonna get some work done. I'll see you guys in 1 second. Depending on their edge.
It's your orientation.
Alright, I'm outside of Savers. Decided to bypass the tacos for a second just to fast a little bit more. You know, I do a lot of intermittent fasting, so if I can draw the fast out and I really don't need to eat, then I may as well. That's what I'm doing. Alright, we're in the Savers right now. Let's go check it out. I will enter here. And I will look for this one right here. Ew! 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 I do not like sayings at all. They're so bad. Oh, here we go. Friends are forever and ever and ever. Ew! 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 And that is one small boombox. Look how small this boombox is. Whoa. That is crazy small. There's no price on it. We'll see what happens.
Just make sure, because when it's like...
So I got that mini Sony boombox for $5. This is perfect for my booth, around 30 to 50. Seems to work okay. I haven't tested the tape player yet, but seems to be all right. Little pieces of paint splatter on it, but nothing crazy. Really interesting piece. And yeah, I'm just gonna go to my booth more than likely. Yeah, let's go wait in line at the old lady thrift store and see what we can find there.
Good morning. Come on in.
Alright, let's see if we can find anything and put in this bag. I don't see anything that catches my eye yet. Like a million people here, so many people here. Alright, found this black leather Dooney attaché / briefcase. There's one listed on eBay for around 110, but it is completely under keyworded and only has one picture to the listing. So, hey, there's a way that I can optimize this. It's a really nice briefcase attaché thing, full-blown leather, all black, really nice. So, you know, keywords I'm going to be using: attaché, briefcase, leather, black, Dooney and Burke, executive, those kind of things, you know. And yeah, it's just all about optimizing keywords. I think this other person that's on there has no idea what they're selling anyways. The only other one after that I saw was like 250, 300 range, and there were like 6 watches on it. It was a different color, but still, you kind of get the idea of, like, you know, somewhere between 110 to about 300. I think this thing will sell. I paid $40 for it, so I did pay up, but I think it's gonna be worth it. I'm an executive now. Look, I'm an executive, Mom. Look, I made it. Look, Mom, I'm a CCO, a Chief Cheddar Officer, yay! All right, let's get some more thrift stores. My hair's super wild, I understand, it's all good. Actually, I need to get a taco or two. I need to get one. Taco time, right now. Grab a tacos, it's time, let's go. Ready to eat. We'll do some more thrifting here in a second. Gotta get some salsa on it. Go to the next thrift store, 1117. All right, tacos were delicious. Man, so good. I also got on Facebook Marketplace, there's a bike in Houston that a guy's coming to Austin, and I was like, hey, if you bring it to Austin, I can offer this much for it. Relatively collectible bike. So I might get it this weekend. We'll see. I don't know if he'll bring it down here, but he's saying maybe $450, and I think this bike considerably is, I don't know, I could probably use the absolute hell out of it. And and still flip it for like 500 bucks, which is cool. I mean, I could put like a year or two of use on it and flip it for 500. That's great. And I can put it on vlogs and stuff, which would be really neat. So that's going down hopefully this weekend. One of the things I wanted to ask you guys is, you know, I seem to wait in line like never for anything. But I will wait in line for a couple different things. One is the REI garage sale, which is usually pretty cool. And the other thing is Wednesdays at this one thrift store that, you know, you're seeing right now. So my question is it cool to wait in line at all? Do you guys wait in line for anything out there? Thrift stores, you know, flea markets to open, swap meets, whatever. Do you wait in line in front of people's houses for garage sales? You know, let me know down below. I try not to ever wait in line. I try not to ever get in traffic either, because I feel as if it's very unproductive, but in a time sense. But let me know what you guys think. I'm just curious on the other side of, you know, the cheddar rainbow here. How do all the other resellers tackle that? Do they find ways around it? Do you guys find ways around it or not? Let me know. We're at a Goodwill. I'm here. Let's go see what we find inside. Oh wow, the lady held the door open for me. That's so nice of her. All right, got some comics right here. This is usually a Pass brand. These look like some Justin's or some Red Wings. Pass. I looked around, but found nothing. I'm not gonna try to make something out of nothing, because there ain't nothing there. There ain't nothing there, no way. Triple negative, dude. Who did that today? Only this guy right here. Triple negative. Double negative, not good. Triple negative, back to normal. Quadruple negative, not good. All right, dropping off some things at the post office. 2 things sold yesterday. I think one was my old gimbal, actually, which I've used on several vacations. After getting this GoPro Hero 7 thing, I just don't see the use of this gimbal. So sold my gimbal that I think I purchased for around $250 for $150. Served its purpose. It did some things, ended up on some vlogs, and you know, sometimes with technology you almost always lose money. So sold for $150. And then there's also a pair of cool pants that were my personal pants that I was just like, I never really got around to them. I wore them a couple times, nothing crazy. I think I'm like 10 bucks into them, sold them for 35 bucks. So that's being dropped off at the post office right now. Let's get in here. Yes. On my way to Savers. Let's go see if we can find anything at this thrift store. It's right down the road. I have a 20% off coupon and a 30% off coupon in my Cheddar AK-47. It's ready to pop. I'm ready to pop. I'm ready to spray. I'm ready to spray these fools. Sideways, man. Hello, Savers. Which could be an ex-Cons or an ex-Circuit City. I don't know. Do you have Cons in your town? Probably not. It sucks. You have Circuit City in your town? Probably not, because it's bankrupt. But this was one of the two. I don't know which one it was. I'm gonna get in here and see if I can find some cheddar. Man, I wanna find some good stuff today. Come on. Hadouken! Yes! Random stuff here. Just look at this thing. Jeez. Ew! 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 Hey guys, when life gives you lemons, keep them, because hey, they're free lemons. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Generic Oakley bag, no thanks. Sweet Marlboro bag. There's a Marlboro bag, it's kind of interesting. So I was thinking about getting that Marlboro bag that was under there, but you know, maybe it'll sell for 70, maybe it'll sell for 50, maybe it'll sell for 40, but shipping would be somewhere in the 20-30 range, so probably not gonna do it. Pretty cool bag though. Well, I guess I'll be using my discount on this. 25 bucks. An Icon Suzuki Gixxer jacket. Damn, that thing's awesome. That could be 150, 200 on eBay right there. It's possible. Got a soft shell North Face right here. This is a Pass. All right, keep looking around. So there's that jacket right there. I ended up getting it for around 19 out the door. Really sick. Definitely worth about 150-ish, maybe more. So that's gonna go. That's a really awesome find. That's definitely the best find of the day. Second best find of the day, check this out. I paid $25 for this. I paid up for this thing. Total fiberglass vintage skateboard. Look at this thing. Look at that. What a find, right? I kind of bought this one a little bit blindly, but I know Track Force trucks are, you know, there were some good coin. This with that awesome graphic on it, I mean, I'm gonna be shooting for around the 8100 mark, but it could be more. I'm not 100% sure yet. If not, I can definitely sell it in my booth for around 50 bucks, like no problem. All right, next stop, Goodwill. Hadouken! Oh man, cart or not get a cart? Yeah, let me get a cart. Find anything there. Those Olukai shoes were a little too high priced. Pretty day outside, my gosh. Wow. Pretty. I gotta create a family tonight. I have to. Gosh, my wife's gonna be really pissed. We gotta hurry up. Come on, I need this family like by next Wednesday so I can get a discount. Man, hope she can blast one out by then.
Long pants today.
So it is half off clothing today, so I always like just look around on a day like this, mostly for personal stuff. Personal. Never know what you can find here. So I did buy these Rocky Gore-Tex boots, $4. You saw them earlier in the picture. Should be able to sell those for around 60 plus. Got these Resell sunglasses for $4. I was like, ah, forget it, I'll just get them. They probably look hellish right now on me, but they're Resell, that's cool. If not, I mean, I can sell them more than likely for around 40, 50. I could probably sell them for around 40, 50. Be first class rate, cheap to ship off. Even with, you know, light surface scratches, they just keep flying down my nose. They're pretty cool. Anytime you see glasses with that on the side, more than likely Resell sunglasses. The weird thing about Resell sunglasses is they tend to bend like all over the sunglasses. So they have bend points on the side, they have bend points in the middle, and it just, I don't know, it's hard to get a really dialed in fit with them, but I do have a couple mini screwdrivers at home where I can kind of adjust it a little bit. But yeah, they're just like coming down completely. Actually, I think it was hooked onto my hair kind of wrong in the back of my ear, but now they're actually holding on pretty good. These are pretty cool sunglasses. They're not too bad for $4. All right, so I just cleaned them off with my shirt. In fact, the plastic on the edges is actually in super good condition. A couple little scratches in the front right here, but we are looking at a scratch-free pair of sunglasses. These are nice. Man, they do, you know, kind of slip on the nose a little bit, so maybe I have to put some skateboard tape there or something. So I don't know. I don't know what people do to make it not slip, but these are actually a really nice pair of sunglasses. I think I overpaid $4. No, that's a good price for some Resells. I think the last ones I bought were like $8, but they weren't for me anyways. So, yeah, pretty sweet pair of sunglasses. You should hit the like button for that. You should hit the like button for these hot shots. The second I see no more likes, hot shots, they go away like a bird, like a blue jay that's like flying in the air somewhere, like a bird migrating because it's cold somewhere else and it's warm. Preferably not Florida, because like a lot of weird people with bath salts do weird things there. If you're a bird, do not go to Florida. Hey, when she says you can't leave the house until you sell all this stuff in here. All right, we're at a Goodwill. Did you get the joke? Did you get the joke? All right, we're at a Goodwill. We're gonna see if we find anything here. Right, didn't find anything there. I was actually told to stop filming in there, which I get it, you know. There's policies, they're policies, and maybe they're store specific. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, I mean, for every vlogger out there, there's probably like 5 creepers, so I totally get it. So yeah, sorry Goodwill, but yeah, I didn't find anything there. Try to make it happen. Today was a good thrift day, that was for sure. I'm not gonna end the video just yet, but thought it was a pretty decent day, not too bad, and the tacos were good. And I saw a house that is, that's on a truck. So hey, I automatically win the day, cause I saw a house on a truck. All right, a little snack as I get home. Gluten-free bread, 1 pasture-raised egg in there, 1 slice of turkey, and some guacamole. And a little bit of this, which you can get at Whole Foods, called Sir Kensington's Special Sauce. Just a little bit of that. It's really good. It's basically like a sandwich spread, but like super healthy for you. So I'm gonna do 2 of those, but I build them individually because it stays hot and good, you know, if you do it one by one. Let's be honest. Hey, Paper Plate Club, who's representing with me? I'm telling you, what's the way to go? If you're an entrepreneur, Paper Plate Club, only way to go. I hate doing dishes. That's a fact. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm basically wrapping it up right now and getting the editing complete. Hook me up with a like, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler video. Take it easy. Goodbye.